Welcome back to Modelworks Direct. For this video, we have our previous scale model build, which is the Lavochkin LA-9, an 11 inches wooden desktop size model. The initial process starts by carving the basic shape of the aircraft, and for the material, we are using Philippine mahogany wood for any of our wooden scale models. With the use of bandsaw, other machines, and tools, this is the final product of the carving process. Next is we have the putty stage. As you can see, a grayish paint was applied to seal the wood and sand it to have a smooth finish. And we are now doing the interior details. For this step, we are using vinyl tiles and composite materials like plastic cards and copper wires to replicate the interior details of the Lavochkin LA-9. We are now moving on to the painting process of these interior details. The side panels, the seat, the instrument panel, and other details. And of course, don't forget the seat belts. We are also including the gun scope, if I'm not mistaken, and painting it as well. And this is the final interior detail. Now, we can go to the sealing of the canopy. First, we need to use the masking tape to cover the areas that are clear. Then proceed on applying the second layer of putty and sand it to get the texture that we want. After it all dried up, we can now spray the base coat and primary color of the aircraft. After waiting for a day or two, we can now remove the masking tape to move on to the next stage, which is the painting process. This is actually my favorite step, where we will add the markings, logos, and decals to the aircraft. Now we are adding the lines that represent the ailerons, stabilizers, rudder, landing gears, flaps, and others. Watch closely as the artist paints this piece of history and bring it back to life as a desktop scale model. And of course, we should not forget the propeller. This is also made of wood and will also go through the same process of carving, potty, base coat, and painting. We're almost done with this aircraft. We just need the exterior details that the Lavochkin LA-9 is well known for. And now, this is the final scale model of the Lavochkin LA-9. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.